My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our dearest Bhagavan, Sri Satya Sai Baba. Sairam, dear uncles, aunties, brothers and sisters. On behalf of New South Wales West, ACT and WA regions, I would like to welcome you all to our national virtual Deepavali offering. My name is Karanya and I will be the MC for tonight's program. Before we begin, I would like to acknowledge the Daruk people who are the traditional custodians of the land on which I am on, and I acknowledge that we are meeting across various Aboriginal lands today. We recognize the strength, resilience and capacity of all Aboriginal peoples, and I would like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. On this joyous occasion of Deepavali, we celebrate the divine leading mankind from darkness to light. Tonight's virtual program will include offerings from our adults, SSC and young adults on the theme, Where There Is Light, There Is God. We will begin our program with an offering from the WA and ACT regions, who will be sharing their reflections on the significance of Deepavali and how they celebrate this auspicious day.
Diwali celebrations may vary in different communities all over the world. However, there is a common thread to its spiritual significance. Diwali is a time to celebrate the triumphs of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil. The festival of Diwali brings awareness to our inner light. When we ignite this everlasting flame within, it dispels any inner darkness or negativity. As we light the lamps that illuminates our homes and hearts, we remember that this light empowers us to commit ourselves to good deeds and brings us closer to divinity. Like all festivals, Diwali also gives us the opportunity to introspect and contemplate on whether we have fulfilled our duty to uphold dharma or righteousness throughout the year. It is an occasion to clean our hearts and minds and start afresh. This festival provides us with a wonderful opportunity to celebrate life. It brings us all together in the spirit of oneness. It is a reminder to be good, do good, and see good. It is an occasion to welcome peace, happiness, and prosperity in one's life.
The festival we celebrate today, Diwali, teaches a sacred inner meaning to humanity. No other element in this world is as significant as light. The flame of a lamp has two significant qualities. One is to banish darkness. The other is a continuous upward movement. Even if a lamp is kept in a pit, the flame is directed upwards. The ancients have taught that the upward movement of the flame denotes the path to wisdom and the path to divinity. However, the external light can dispel only the external darkness, but not the darkness of ignorance in man. When Narakasura was killed, all those who suffered under him were overjoyed. Having led a life of darkness till then, both internally and externally, they celebrated the occasion by lighting lamps. There is significance in lighting lamps. The flame of one lamp can light the whole array of lamps. That one lamp symbolizes the Param Jyoti, or the supreme effulgence. The others symbolize the Jivana Jyotis, the light in the individual. Diwali is celebrated to teach this truth to the world. Divine Discourse, October 19th, 1998. Om Sri Sai Ram.
Deepavali means a garland or array of lights. When Narakasura was killed by Sri Krishna, all those who suffered of darkness till then, both internally and externally, celebrated the occasion by lighting lamps. Swami explains the inner meaning of this festival as follows. The city in which the demon Narakasura had his capital was known as Pragjyotishapuram. Prag means former Jyoti means light, Sha means forgetting, and Puram means the body. The inner meaning of the term is that man in his body is forgetting the light, the Atma Jyoti in him. Nara means Atma and also which is not permanent. So when man has forgotten his true spiritual state, bad qualities enter the city and man becomes Naraka Asura, a demonic being. This means demonic forces dwell in any place where the Atma is forgotten. The 16,000 Gopikas who were freed by Sri Krishna from Narakasura represent the imprisoned good qualities in us. The Lord is described as the embodiment of the 16 Kalas, and he presides over the 16,000 Kalas which are present in the human head, the Sahasrara, the 1,000-petal lotus. The Kundalini Shakti, which starts at the bottom of the spinal column Mooladhara, rises and merges with the 16,000 entities in the Sahasrara. This is the esoteric significance and the meaning of the role of the divine within the body. Deepavali is a festival which is designed to celebrate the suppression of the ego by the higher self. When the darkness of ignorance caused by ahamkara is dispelled by the light of divine knowledge, the effulgence of the divine is experienced.
Thank you to the WA and ACT regions for sharing their reflections. While the auspicious day of Deepavali is about celebrating the triumph of good over evil, it is also about turning inwards and reconnecting to the God within. We will continue our program with a virtual offering from the SSE students across our regions. Through the medium of animation, our SSE students will be showing us that God takes many forms, but regardless of faith, it is the strength of our devotion and our unwavering love which matters the most.
Two people are having a discussion about the upcoming Diwali festival and the renovations for a temple.
Diwali is fast approaching. We have to start the renovation work as early as possible and put up the lights.
All arrangements are made and the work is going to start from Monday, which is very auspicious. Everything should go smoothly by God's grace.
Several pigeons living on top of the gopuram hear this conversation and become agitated.
Looks like we may have to move to another place. What do we do now?
Let's speak to the pigeons in the mosque nearby and ask if we can stay with them for some time while this work is on.
They all proceed to the mosque.
Friends, the temple we are staying at is being renovated. Will you allow us to stay here?
Why not? This place is as much as yours as it is ours. You are most welcome. Thanks for your help.
The pigeons start living in the mosque. Soon is the holy month of Ramadan, with Eid approaching. Two men at the mosque are talking amongst each other.
Before Eid celebrations, we must carry out the repair works and paint the whole mosque.
True. On the day of Eid, it should look holy and brand new.
Hearing all this, the pigeons peep out of their pigeonholes and start talking to each other.
I am so confused. It looks like it is time for us to relocate again and look for another place.
Do not worry. Let us ask our clan at the church if they can accommodate us for some time.
They all fly as a group and reach the church.
The places we were staying at are getting repaired and renovated.
Could you please let us stay here for some time?
Of course, you can. The more the merrier. Fly in. We have plenty of space to accommodate you all.
To their joy, the pigeons find enough space for all of them. They settle there and live in harmony along with the other pigeons in the church. But after a while, the pigeons find out that the church will also be going through some repairs as Christmas is approaching, and they will have no room to live there anymore.
Again, it's time for us to shift to another place. What shall we do now?
Yesterday was the consecration ceremony at the temple. There is plenty of room in the Gopuram for all of us to stay. Come, let's all fly there now.
One day, while the pigeons were sitting on top of the temple gopuram and relaxing, they began to see and hear some arguing between different groups of people below. A baby pigeon then asks its mother,
Who are these people?
They are human beings.
But why are they arguing with each other?
The human beings praying in the temple are called Hindus. Those praying in the mosque are called Muslims. And those praying in the church are called Christians. And they have some differences of opinion.
Why is it so, Mother? I am puzzled. When we are in the temple, we are called pigeons. When we are in the mosque, we are again called pigeons. And when we are in church, we are still called pigeons. Shouldn't these humans just be called human beings, regardless of the place they go to pray?
Yes, dear. You see, you, our pigeon friends and I, have understood the simple truth that we are all one.
Swami has said, do not give room for differences based on language, religion, caste, or nationality. Develop the feeling that all are children of God. You may worship God in any form of your choice, but always bear in mind that God is one. Cultivate love and promote unity and harmony among all. On this holy day of Deepavali, let us remember that the flame in each of the diya is the same irrespective of the color or shape. Likewise, the Lord is the same in each one of us, irrespective of our caste, creed, religion, or race. On this holy day, let us remember Bhagwan's words. Let the different faiths exist. Let them flourish, and let the glory of God be sung in all the languages in a variety of tunes. That should be the ideal. Respect the differences between the faiths. Recognize them as valid, as long as they do not extinguish the flame of unity.
I would like to thank the SSE students, parents, and SSE coordinators for their wonderful contributions to this virtual offering. On Deepavali Day, we light numerous lamps with one candle. The candle is thought of as the first lamp, and it symbolizes the divine. The other lamps are Jivana Jyotis, individual lamps of our life. These derive their light from the one supreme light. Swami, thank you for showing us that the Festival of Lights is observed to teach us this very truth. On this holy day of Deepavali, the young adults of New South Wales Region West lovingly present this offering to remind us that light and love is the same in each one of us, irrespective of our caste, creed, religion, or race.
Out of this single flame, one can light 1,000,000 flames. In the end, the flame that ignites and the flame ignited are identical. Let us sit comfortably with our back straight and our hands resting on our thighs easily. Every part of the body is relaxed: the face, the shoulders, the legs. Bring a light smile to your face. Take a deep breath, slowly and gently. Now close your eyes and visualize the flame in front of you. Feel the flame inside of you between your eyebrows. Let it slide down into the lotus of your heart, illuminating the path. When it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of the lotus open one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and so removing the darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. The light of the flame becomes wider and brighter. Let it pervade your limbs. Now those limbs can never indulge in dark activities. They have become instruments of light and love. Let the light rise to your head, shining brightly and more intensely. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-winding circles, taking in your loved ones, your friends, your enemies, strangers, birds, animals, insects, the trees, and all living beings in the entire world. When ready, you may slowly open your eyes. Dear Lord, we have learnt that Jesus was born with a distinct mission. He came to shatter the darkness that had enveloped the world, and to spread the light of love in the heart of man and councils of humanity. We sincerely pray that our lives are also dedicated to this mission of spreading light of pure love to all.
In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. This gift of love and righteousness, here in the power of Christ I stand. No guilt in life, no fear in death. This is the power of Christ in me, my comforter, my all in all. Here in the love of Christ I stand. And as he stands in victory, till he returns, oh, calls me home, for I am his, and he is mine. Jesus commands my destiny.
The question at this point is, how do we dedicate our lives to the mission of spreading the light of love to all? Lord Jesus Christ, when asked what the greatest commandment is, said, "The greatest and the first commandment is love thy God with all thy heart, mind, soul, and strength, and love thy neighbor as thyself." The same light, the same love, and the same God is present in all beings in the entire world. Let us develop and fill our hearts with love for God. The heart is like a tank, and all the senses are like taps. When the tank is full of love, all that comes out of the taps will be love only. Whatever we see in others is a reflection of our inner being. In the Islamic faith, it is believed that we should love others for the sake of Allah. When we love others with this idea in our hearts, our love is like a light and spreads far and wide. Our love is selfless. Our love is unconditional.
चारों तरफ नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूर, नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूर। ये बरके तजल्ली अंधेरों को चीरती, यहाँ भी तो वहाँ भी तो, ये रोशनी क्या रोशनी। नूरुन अला नूर, नूरुन अला नूर। तेरे सिवा कोई है कि पूछूं, अंधेरों से पूछा तो चुप हो गए, चुप हो गए। परिंदों से पूछा, परिंदों से पूछा कहाँ परवाज़ है। फूलों से पत्तों से, फूलों से पत्तों से, रंगों से आए सदा। नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूर, नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूरुन अला नूर। नूरुन अला नूर, नूरुन अला नूर, नूरुन अला नूर, नूरुन अला नूर, नूरुन अला नूर।
A heart filled with love for God. What does that look like? What does that feel like? The lover of God sees God everywhere. The greater the love for God, the greater the bliss that one experiences. It's human nature to be affected by praise or blame, but one who is filled with divine love transcends this and is unaffected by criticism or flattery. Imagine treating joy and sorrow, profit and loss, victory and defeat all the same. Without worrying about what has happened in the past and without concern for the future, let us strive to make the best use of the present by cultivating in love and doing service. Lord, you are the light of our lives. Like a candle, your love will always glow.
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। प्यार के मोती, प्यार के मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
Let us sit comfortably again, with our back straight. Every part of the body is relaxed. The face, the shoulders, the legs. Bring a light smile to your face. Breathe slowly, deeply, and gently. Find joy in this moment of presence and stillness. It is only in the depth of silence that the voice of God can be heard. Thank you, Swami, for thinking through us, talking through us, acting through us, and leading us from ignorance to truth, from darkness to light. Om Sai Ram.
तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। शांति शांति शांति।
Thank you to the young adults for putting together such an amazing virtual offering. The inner significance of Deepavali is to lead man from darkness to light. Man is perpetually plunged in darkness. Every time he is enveloped in darkness, he should light a lamp that is ever shining within him. Carry that lamp wherever you go. It will light your path wherever you may be. Loving Sai Rams.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजा आनन पद्मार्कं गजानन महर्निशम् अनेक भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। पाहि गजानन दीनावना पाहि गजानन दीनावना सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना पाहि गजानन दीनावना अंबिकतनया अमराधीश्वर अंबिकतनया अमराधीश्वर अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक पाहि गजानन दीनावना सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना पाहि गजानन दीनावना अंबिकतनया अमराधीश्वर अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक पाहि गजानन दीनावना
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई, जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई, जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई, जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
जीवन के अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
जीवन के अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
जीवन के अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
साई दीप जलाओ, सत्य 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 साई दीप जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई।
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
जीवन के अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
साई दीप जलाओ, सत्य साई दीप जलाओ।
साई दीप जलाओ, सत्य साई दीप जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई।
बाबा आओ मेरे की कीर्तन में। आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ। अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ। अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ। अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ। नैया हमारी पार लगाओ। नैया हमारी पार लगाओ। नैया हमारी पार लगाओ। नैया हमारी पार लगाओ। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। अंतर ज्योति जलाओ साई। अंतर ज्योति जलाओ साई। अंतर ज्योति जलाओ साई। अंतर ज्योति जलाओ साई। जीवन ज्योति तुम हो 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 साई। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ। अंतर्यामी दर्श दिखाओ। नैया हमारी पार लगाओ। नैया हमारी पार लगाओ। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में। अंतर ज्योति जलाओ साई। अंतर ज्योति जलाओ साई। जीवन ज्योति तुम हो 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 साई। बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में।
राम रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम।
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 श्री राम 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 साई राम राम राम। श्री राम 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 साई राम राम राम।
राम 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 साई राम राम राम।
राम रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम।
राम रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम।
हे पतित पावना राम, हे श्यामल कोमल राम
पावना राम हे श्यामल कोमल राम
हे पतित पावना राम हे श्यामल कोमल राम
पावना राम हे श्यामल कोमल राम
हे वैदेही प्रिय राम साई राम राम जय राम
वैदेही प्रिय राम साई राम राम जय राम
हे वैदेही प्रिय राम साई राम राम जय राम
वैदेही प्रिय राम साई राम राम जय राम
श्री राम 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 साई राम राम राम
राम राम साई राम राम राम
श्री राम 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 साई राम राम राम
राम राम साई राम राम राम
राम रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम
रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम
श्री राम 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 साई राम राम राम
राम राम साई राम राम राम
राम रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम
रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम
हे पतित पावना राम हे श्यामल कोमल राम
पावना राम हे श्यामल कोमल राम
हे वैदेही प्रिय राम साई राम राम जय राम
प्रिय राम साई राम राम जय राम
श्री राम 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 साई राम राम राम
राम राम साई राम राम राम
श्री राम 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 साई राम राम राम
राम राम साई राम राम राम
राम रघुवर राम सीता राम 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 आत्मज्योति नमो परमात्म ज्योति नमो
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 अखंड ज्योति नमो मम जीवन 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 ज्योति नमो
अंतर्यामी नमो श्री सद्गुरु साई 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 नमो
आत्मज्योति नमो
శ్రీ సద్గురు సాయి నమో
అంతర్యామి నమో శ్రీ సద్గురు సాయి నమో
అంతర్యామి నమో శ్రీ సద్గురు సాయి నమో
ఆత్మజ్యోతి నమో పరమాత్మజ్యోతి నమో
జై సాయి రామ్ జై సాయి రామ్ జై సాయి రామ్ జై సాయి రామ్ बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम आपद बांधव साई राम आपद बांधव साई राम प्रेम स्वरूपा साई प्रेमावतारा साई पूर्णावतारा साई जय साई राम जय साई राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम आपद बांधव साई राम प्रेम स्वरूपा साई राम प्रेमावतारा साई राम पूर्णावतारा साई राम जय साई राम जय साई राम
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की
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 राम लक्ष्मण जानकी
जय बोलो हनुमान की
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी
जय बोलो हनुमान की
అస్థిరం జీవనం లోకే అస్థిరం యవ్వనం ధనం అస్థిరం ధారా పుత్రాది సత్యం కీర్తి ద్వయం స్థిరం.
The life is temporary. The youth and prosperity also are temporary. The wife and the family, they're all temporary. But two are permanent. Truth and good name are permanent.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
Embodiments of love.
దైవాన్ని నమ్మితే ఒక్క మాట పైన చెప్పిన అన్ని మాటల పైన దాన్ని నమ్మాలి.
We should follow God in total faith in whatever He says.
నీకు ఇష్టమైనటువంటి దానిపైన నమ్మకము, ఇష్టం లేని దానిపైన నమ్మకం లేకుండా పోవటము అది సరైనటువంటి ఒక విశ్వాసం కాదు.
You have faith if you like that, and you have no faith if you dislike it. Is not proper.
ఒక చిన్న ఉదాహరణ,
A small example.
ఒక 10 సంవత్సరముల పూర్వము
10 years before,
ఒక పెద్ద మనిషి
an elderly person
సత్సాయి బాబా ఈజ్ గాడ్ 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 అని చెప్పాడు.
declared that Satsai Baba is God, God.
సత్సాయి బాబానే కాదు, ప్రతి జీవి ఎందుకు గాడ్ ఉన్నాడు.
In fact, God is present in every individual.
కానీ ఆ విధంగా చాటుతూ వచ్చారు.
He went on declaring like that.
తిరిగి తమ యొక్క అభిష్టమును కొంతవరకు విరుద్ధంగా మారేటప్పటికి ఈజ్ నాట్ గాడ్, ఈజ్ నాట్ గాడ్ అని చెప్పారు.
The moment when his desires are not fulfilled, he said he is not God.
ఎస్ నో రెండు చెప్పింది ఒకే నోరే.
The same man declared yes and no.
ఆనాడు ఎస్ అన్నాడు,
he said yes then.
ఈనాడు నో అన్నాడు.
Today he says no.
అది నిజమా ఇది నిజమా?
Is that true or is this true?
ఏదో ఒకటి ఇందులో అబద్ధం ఒకటి ఉంది కదా.
One must be false out of these two.
కానీ ఏది అబద్ధము?
What are lies?
ఆనాడు చెప్పిందైనా అబద్ధమే, ఈనాడు చెప్పిందైనా అబద్ధమే.
That which has been said then must have been blatant lie, or that what has been
ఇలాంటి
said now.
రెండు పదములు చేరినటువంటి వానికి ఏ విధంగా భావించాలి? అది ఏ రాక్షస కృత్యం.
The one who made contradictory statements is a demon.
ఎస్ అను వారికి ఎస్ అనురా,
God says yes to those that say
నో అను
yes.
వారికి నో అనురా.
If you say no, God says no.
నో ఎస్సులు నీ నోటికి గాని సాయికి సర్వం ఎస్ ఎస్ ఎస్.
Yes, no belong to you, your declaration, your feeling, but to Sai God, everything is yes.
నాకు అందరూ మంచివారే,
To Bhagavan, all are good.
ఎవరు చెడ్డవారు లేరు.
There are no bad people.
కానీ
But
లౌకికమైన ఈ యొక్క నెగిటివ్ భావాలతో కూడినటువంటి వారికి కొంచెం మంచి చెడ్డలు విచారించుకోకుండా పోతే వాడి జీవితమే నాశనం చేసుకుంటారు.
But from the worldly point of view, if you are not cautious of the negative behavior, you will be spoiling your life.
కనుకనే మీకు కొన్ని చెప్పవలసి వస్తుంది.
So Bhagavan had to teach you these things.
నాకు అందరూ ప్రీతియే,
Bhagavan likes all.
నేను అందరినీ ప్రేమిస్తాను.
Swami loves all.
కానీ కొన్ని ఇలాంటి సందిగ్ధ అవస్థలు ఎందు మాత్రం వారికి నిశ్చ చెప్పాలి.
But when we are confused, Bhagavan should choose to teach us.
లేకపోతే మీ జీవితానికి చాలా ప్రమాదం ఏర్పడుతుంది.
Or else you will be put to danger in your life.
కనుక ఎవరెవరి డౌట్స్ వాళ్ళలో ఉండవచ్చును.
You may have doubts.
డౌట్స్ లేకుండా ఏ మానవుడు ఉండడానికి వీలు కాదు.
No man can live without doubts.
కాబట్టి ఆ డౌట్స్కి మీరు చోటు ఇవ్వద్దండి.
So don't give scope for any doubt.
అది ఉండినంత వరకు కూడా నిన్ను అనేక విధంగా అశాంతికి గురి వచ్చేస్తుంది.
The doubt in you will make you restless, agitated.
ప్రేమను మీరు పెంచుకోండి.
Develop love.
ప్రేమ మీ హృదయం నిండుకు పెంచుకున్నప్పుడే
When there is love in your
సర్వము
heart,
ప్రేమమయమే.
everything will be full of love.
ఆ ప్రేమముని దగ్గర ద్వేషం అనేది ఉండదు.
Where there is love, there is no
ద్వేషం
hatred.
లేనప్పుడు క్రోధం అనేదే రాదు.
When there is no hatred, there is no
క్రోధం అనేది
anger.
లేనప్పుడు ఈ హింసలే పానుకుంటారు.
When there is no anger, there is no violence.
కనుకనే దేర్ ఈజ్ విశ్వాసం అనగా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంటుందో అక్కడనే ట్రూత్ వస్తుంది.
Where there is confidence, there is truth.
వేర్ దేర్ ఈజ్ ట్రూత్,
Where there is truth,
దేర్ ఈజ్ పీస్.
there is peace.
వేర్ దేర్ ఈజ్ పీస్,
Where there is peace,
దేర్ ఈజ్ బ్లిస్.
there is bliss.
వేర్ దేర్ ఈజ్ బ్లిస్,
Where there is bliss,
దేర్ ఈజ్ గాడ్.
there is God.
కనుకనే మొట్టమొదటి విశ్వాసాన్ని పెంచుకోండి.
So first, we should cultivate faith.
ఆ విశ్వాసమే లేకున్నప్పుడు ఎంత ఉండి ఏం ప్రయోజనం?
Without this faith, what for is the human life?
అందరినీ నమ్ము, తప్పు లేదు.
There's nothing wrong if you believe
కానీ
everybody.
దైవ భావంతో నీవు విశ్వసించు.
but have faith with the divine prompting.
ఆ దైవ భావంతో విశ్వసించినప్పుడు సర్వము నీకు దైవత్వంగానే కనిపిస్తుంది.
With the spiritual promptings, everything would be divine.
మనసులో ఒకటి, మాటలో మరొకటి.
Thought is one and that which is said is different.
ఇది కాదు, సరైనటువంటిది కాదు.
It's not proper on your part.
మనసు యందు ఒకటి, మాట యందు ఒకటి, క్రియలో మరొకటి.
The thought is one, that what is said is different and action is altogether opposite.
కనుక మూడు కూడా విరుద్ధమైనప్పుడు దానికి కేవలం రాక్షసత్వమే అవుతుంది.
When thought, word and deed are at variance,
మూడు
it is
చేరి ఒకటి
demonic
కావాలి.
nature.
అది ఏ త్రిపుటి అన్నారు.
There should be perfect unity and harmony in thought, word and deed.
త్రిగుణముల యందు పరిశుద్ధమైనటువంటి వాడే నిజమైనటువంటి వ్యక్తి.
You are a true human being if you have got the perfection in all the
వ్యక్తి
three
అనగా ఏమిటి?
attributes. Who is Vyakti?
సర్వ విషయమునందు కూడాను తన యందున్నటువంటి శక్తి తత్వాన్ని స్వీకరించటమే వ్యక్తి.
Vyakti, the person, is the one who could acquire Shakti, the energy, out of all.
ఆ ఎనర్జీని నీవు స్వీకరించాలి.
And then you should acquire that energy.
కానీ ఎనర్జీ అంటున్నావు, ఎనర్జీలో పోతున్నావు.
But you say energy, but you are along allergy.
దానివల్ల నీకు ఏం సుఖం చిక్కుతుంది?
What happiness you have?
ఇదంతా నిరుపయోగమైనటువంటి సంకల్పాలుగా ఉంటాయి.
Everything would turn ultimately useless.
ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులారా,
Students,
ముఖ్యంగా మీరు ప్రేమని మీరు అభివృద్ధి పరచుకోండి.
most importantly, develop love.
ఏది మీరు చేసుకోవడానికి వీలు లేకపోయినా ప్రేమ సులభంగా చిక్కేటువంటిది మీకు.
You may not be able to achieve anything, it's easy to love.
చైతన్యుడు చెప్పినట్టుగా,
as Chaitanya said,
నీ స్వర్గమో నా కైలాసమో నాకు అక్కర్లేదు.
I am not bothered of your heaven and paradise.
నీ వైకుంఠమో నీ ఇదే నాకు అక్కర్లేదు.
I am not bothered of your Vaikuntha.
నాకు కావాల్సింది ప్రేమ రాజ్యమే.
What I want is this love.
కనుక నీ ప్రేమ సామ్రాజ్యంలో నాకు ఒక చోటు ఇచ్చేయి.
Give me a place in this kingdom of love.
అది ఒక్కటి నాకు చాలు.
That is enough.
అది ఒక్కటి ఉన్న సర్వము అక్కడ నాకు సిద్ధిస్తుంది.
With that gives me fulfillment.
ప్రేమతో సాధించలేనటువంటిది లోకంలో ఒక్కటి కూడా లేదు.
There is nothing that you cannot achieve in this world without love.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrachaka Bhakta Jana Samrachaka Pati Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shivadana Shri-Kara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpanatika Ashrita Kalpanatika Apagana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Pita Guru Daivamu Mariyam Tarunive Swami Mariyam Tarunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Kavya Jayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Om Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangalarati Amrita Mangalarati Amrita Mangalagiri Hari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
I would like to thank you all for joining our virtual Deepavali offering. We hope that you have enjoyed the offerings.
Sairam all. Just a reminder, we are now live on YouTube and Facebook. You can search on YouTube for Sai Organisation of Australia. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to receive updates and reminders of our upcoming inspirational programs. On Facebook, please search for Sai Organisation of Australia and like and follow our account. Please visit our website on sai.org.au to keep updated with upcoming programs in the 96 Days devotional offerings, news of our service activities, and inspirational updates.